This video will describe the installation process for the floor-to-ceiling mount, 2-side, 2-post, 2-deep. The following tools are recommended for installation: a stud finder, a tape measure, an electric drill, a 1/8 inch drill bit for wood and metal, a plumb bob, a level, a square, a hacksaw, a metal file, a vacuum, a rubber mallet, clamps, a drill and bit appropriate for your flooring type. Find a ceiling joist in the desired mounting location. Mark the location for the first pilot hole. Measure 6 1/4 inches along the joist and mark the location for the second pilot hole. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill 2 pilot holes at the marked locations. To hang the plumb bob to mark the position of the first floor anchor, sink a screw partially into the first pilot hole and hang the plumb bob string. Mark the position of the floor anchor. Repeat this step for the second floor anchor hole. Measure the height of the ceiling at the mounting location. Subtract 60 3/16 inches from the ceiling height to find the measurement for the length of the bottom frame. For example, this ceiling is 91 5/8 inches in height. Subtracting 60 3/16 inches will give the bottom frame length of 31 7/16 inches. Measure the bottom frame from the base and mark the length as determined from the previous step. Use a square to mark the length on each side of the frame. Using a hacksaw, cut the bottom frame to size. Use a metal file to smooth the inside and outside edges of the cut so that the frame couplers will insert properly. Replace the end caps on the top frame piece with the smooth 1-inch couplers. Insert the top frame piece into the bottom frame piece to create the full-length frame. Use a drill and bit appropriate for your flooring type to drill the holes for the floor anchors. Vacuum any debris from the holes to ensure that the anchors can reach the required depth. Align the frame with the pilot holes in the ceiling and use the rubber mallet to tap the frame into position. Be sure that the frame is perpendicular to the floor on all sides. Anchor the bottom of the frame in place. Anchor the top of the frame to the ceiling joist with construction grade number 8 wood screws. Install the bottom rails with the provided self-tapping screws. Use a level or square to ensure that the rails are even. Insert the rail couplers in the top of the bottom rail. Position the top rails by inserting the bottom end over the rail couplers. Install the top rails with the provided self-tapping screws. Insert the hole caps and end caps. Repeat these steps on the other side of the frame to complete the installation. Congratulations on installing your floor-to-ceiling Ultra Wine Rack. If you have any questions, please call customer service at 1-800-343-9463.